Hi, seagulls. Hi, seagulls. Oh, are you guys so very hungry? Look at them all. Look at all those hungry seagulls. Okay. Let's see what we got for you. Oh. French fries? You guys like French fries? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Careful, they're hot. It's a plethora of seagulls. Here's more. I gotta switch hands here so I can throw it farther so that everybody gets some. Gotta be fair about this. Gotta get let the guys in back get some too. Ow! They're hot. Don't cry. I got you guys 2 fries, 2 chicken sandwiches. You have absolutely nothing to cry about. Oh, don't be so sad. Okay. That's it for the... Oh, wait. There's more fries. There's more fries. Get them. Get them. Don't cry. You're going to make me cry. Oh, they're so pretty. Okay. Hold on a second. Oh. Okay. Here come the chicken sandwiches. Okay. Here come the chicken sandwiches. We'll start with some bun. Oh boy, look at that chicken. Look at this nice chicken patty for you guys. See what you do when you're feeding seagulls. You throw the food one way, then you throw it the other, so that the guys in back get some. Because Mother Nature is cruel. And you have to try to even it out as best you can. I know. I know. I love you guys too. Okay, hold on. Okay. Here's another chicken sandwich. This is number 2. This is chicken sandwich number 2. Don't cry. Don't cry, little seagulls. Alright, now we'll get some for the guys back here. Here's some lettuce. Here's more chicken. Okay. That's it. 2 chicken sandwiches and 2 fries. I hope everybody got some. Oh, you're killing me. You know, I was going to have this I was going to eat this cheeseburger myself. Yeah, sure you are, Chris. That's really going to happen. You're killing me. Here you go. Have my cheeseburger, too. There you go. You can fight over it. Everybody fight over it. Damn, they ate the cheeseburger faster than I can. Wow, I didn't think that was possible. All right, I love yous. See you later. Bye.